Next trick we're going to work on is, it's actually not really a trick, it's a move. It's part of many tricks that we're going to be doing. Later on, there's a trick called Shockwave that uses it. There's a trick called Kamikaze that uses it. So practice this, get it solid. It's going to help you out. It's weird. Magic drop looks like this. You're actually going underneath your throw hand, and the yo-yo is popping off the string as you do it, and you land it in the back like so. Let me show you from this angle what it looks like. So the yo-yo is coming underneath your hand and falling off one of the strings. You want to land it on the back string like that. So it comes over and lands on the back string like so. It's funny because normally you'd think the yo-yo would land like that, but because your thumb's here opening it, it actually lands on the back string. Now let me show you what this looks like. To do, what you do is you take your throw hand, you make an L with it, just like you did for Eiffel Tower way back when. You push into the string like so, and then let the string come over your hand like that. As you do the next step, you swing the yo-yo underneath. It's important that you have this L coming between your thumb and your throw hand pointer. That's going to help open up the string and allow the yo-yo to drop off it as you do the next step. So it looks like this. Swings the yo-yo underneath. You want to swing the yo-yo more towards the tip of your pointer finger. This is also going to help the yo-yo fall off the string. As it swings around, swing towards the tip, it'll fall off, and you want to land it on that back string right there. It's the one closest to your body. Let me show you again. So it swings, get your thumb and pointer in position, swing it under and over. It will land right there. Later on, we're going to be inserting this into the middle of tricks. This is part of 2 tricks I know that I'm going to be teaching you. Later on, you can put it in between tricks that you want to do. But for now, work on that move. See if you can get that solid. It's a little bit trickier than a lot of the moves out there, but it's definitely worth practicing for the rest of the tricks we're going to be learning. That's Magic Drop.